What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. This is David's Ghetto Garage. As you can see, we have Nina up on the ramps, and today we're putting on the Remark axle back exhaust muffler delete, and I'll show you guys how. All right, y'all, so to take off your stock axle back exhaust, you have these two hangers back here. You have another hanger all the way in the back, and then you have two bolts on each side to take off, and that's it. All right, so I just got done finishing the left side of the car, and I'm about to show you what to really do. First, you really need some WD-40 to get the hangers off, as well as some pliers, because I'm telling y'all, you need some strength for this. All right, so what you need to do is spray some WD-40 in the hangers. There's two, one at the left and one on the right near the top. Spray some WD-40 in there. And then just try to work off the hanger. You just gotta feel it. Push the exhaust if you have to. This is probably the most time-consuming part of this process, is pulling these hangers off. And once I finish getting these off, I'll come back and show you guys the next step. I forgot to mention, I made a mistake doing this. Before you take off the hangers, you want to remove these two bolts back here that connect the axle back to the mid pipe, because it makes it a lot easier to get these bolts off as well as the hangers. And just a disclaimer, when you do this, you're gonna need a lot of force. And so I've already scraped on my hands trying to do this, but you need to get a nice long ratchet so you can apply some torque and get these bolts off. I already have this one over here loosened up, and now I need to do the other side. All right, we got one bolt out, has a little spring. And yeah, it's a lot of work taking these bolts out, but we're getting it. One more to go. Then we'll drop the exhaust out. This one right here, easy. It's the one on the outside that you gotta worry about. Oh yeah, way easier. Alright, so these actually go on a lot easier than taking the stock exhaust out. Just slide the hangers back in, you're good to go. I'm back about like a week later after putting on exhaust, just to give you guys like an update video. Exhaust sounds great. It's nice and loud, but not too loud. Just a couple of things, like when you put on the Remark Axleback exhaust, you're gonna need to get one of these. The stock muffler, it has the nuts that you need. They're bolted onto the exhaust itself, so you need to go to like advanced. I got these from AutoZone. You need to go get these nuts so you can actually put the bolts back on for the exhaust. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, it's a pretty simple process. So I'll give you guys a few little drive-by pictures. I don't have anybody else to film for me right now, so I'll do my guys, that's the end of my video. If you give me a like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be great so I can keep creating content for you guys. I know there's not like a lot of Is350 content, so I'm trying to change that. So if you have like any video suggestions, please comment below and let me know.